Are you still using your personal Facebook or Instagram profile to showcase your business? It's time to convert those personal profiles into snazzy business pages. And why should you make the switch? Because Facebook and Instagram business pages offer a whole bunch of perks like insights, the ability to share content from the AXIOM app, and the option to create ads. Plus, it's just better for your brand image. Upgrading is simple. Just follow these steps. First, go to the Create a Facebook page based on your profile and click Get Started. Next, follow the on-screen instructions, selecting the correct categories for your page and deciding which friends, photos, and videos you want to retain. Review your choices and check your privacy settings. To upgrade your Instagram profile, go to your profile settings and select Switch to Professional Account. Follow the on-screen instructions and select the appropriate category for your business. Voila! You've got yourself some snazzy new Facebook and Instagram business pages that retain all your favorite things about your personal profiles. Now it's time to take advantage of the full power of the AXIOM social share functionality. And if you want to be a real estate rockstar, we recommend using the AXIOM AI and engage content available only to AXIOM members. So get ready to rock your new business page and take your social media game to the next level. Trust us. Your brand will thank you for it.